What up, y'all? It's your boy C-Kid here, man, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm going to be showing you some of the top tips and tricks that you can do, or some of the things that you may not know that you can do with the Apple AirTags. You guys already know if you have an AirTag nearby a phone, it will pop up on the screen the message for you guys to be able to pair and connect it up. But a lot of times if you remove a device from it, it's not going to pop up or connect up. One of the things that I've actually seen with the AirTags that's happening. So in order for you guys to get around that and still be able to pair this up, you want to go ahead and go into the Find My application. And then within here, you're going to see this icon here that says add item. So you want to go ahead and have your AirTag that you want to use. You want to have it nearby and then tap on add item. Then here you're going to see a add AirTag. So if I go ahead and click on add AirTag, have this device nearby, and it's going to kind of force push the pop-up window for it to be able to pop up. And then here you just go ahead and tap on connect, and then from here it's going to go ahead and connect it up to your iCloud account as well as to your iPhone. Now, in order for you guys to do this, all you guys have to do is go into the AirTag screen. Now you're going to go ahead and click on rename, and just like this is going to allow you guys to be able to remap it to a different item. So I can go ahead and just swipe down and I can go to keys, and you can see here it's just going to change it to Devin's keys. Or if I can go to umbrella, Devin's umbrella, boom, I press done, and now it is remapped to Devin's umbrella. But let's say, for example, you're like, you know what, C-Kid, I don't like Devin's umbrella. I want to actually change it to something else. Go back to rename, and then here you just tap on it, and then just like this, I can go in and just change this to whatever I want this to be. I can change it to C-Kid umbrella. And then let's say, for example, I don't want to actually use this icon that's right here either. I want something else to show up on the map. So I can go here and then just type in umbrella. So I can go ahead and just type on umbrella like so, click on that, and then I can press done. Now if I go back to my map, I will see an umbrella here with the icon that I chose instead of the one that Apple gave us, which is really dope. Now, another feature that I want to show you guys real quick is a way for you guys to be able to see what firmware you guys are on. All you guys have to do is just go up to the top, and you're just going to click on that, and it's going to change this to show you guys the serial number as well as show you the firmware version that you guys are on. Right now, at the time of this video, we are at 1.0.225, as you guys can see right here. And then if you want to go ahead and bring your battery percentage back, you can just tap on it like so, and it's going to bring your battery percentage right back on the screen. What if you actually lost one of these tags? How are you going to be able to get this back into your hands? Well, there's a feature that you guys can turn on, and it is called lost mode. You definitely want to make sure you got this feature turned on. So I'm going to go ahead and press continue. Now it's going to take me to the phone number screen. Now this is where you're going to want to put in the contact information. If someone was to find your AirTag, they can simply take their phone, which has NFC technology in it. They can tap on the AirTag, and it will go ahead and pull up your information that you guys have put in on this screen right here. Now here is going to be a screen, is the lost mode screen. Now, in order for you guys to be able to turn on to notify you when you guys have lost your AirTag, you have to have the device that you guys are pairing into lost mode be outside of the Bluetooth range. Now, we'll have your phone number already in here, and then you can also put in a message here that you guys may want to change. So for example, you can put here your email address. Now, I don't recommend you guys put in like your address, because you know, at that point someone can have your address, and that's just not the safe thing to do. So we're gonna go ahead and tap on activate, and then just like that, your lost mode is now going to be activated on your device. Now, what if you guys want to go ahead and sell one of your AirTags? Let me show you guys how to actually remove an AirTag from your iCloud account as well as from your iPhone in itself. Now, in order to do so, you want to go back to that specific AirTag that you have. You want to go ahead and click on remove item. It's going to bring you up some information here telling you guys that the item is linked to your Apple ID. And in order for you guys to remove it, you just go ahead and click on remove. So I want to go ahead and remove that. And it's going to pop up here, remove. You're going to hear the removal sound that has been removed and reset. And now it is no longer on your phone. All right, so the next thing I want to show you guys doesn't have to deal with the phone in itself, but more or less how to actually replace the battery of an AirTag. Take your thumb and you're going to press down, and you're just going to turn to the left, and then from there you're going to go ahead and just peel off the back. And then from there, once you guys have replaced it with the new battery, align the prongs on the side here, these 3 prongs to the 3 prongs on the actual device. You're going to put it in there like so, press down, you're going to hear the sound, and you've replaced your battery. Now the other thing I want to show you guys is there's actually 2 ways of being able to loop your AirTags with the loops that you guys buy for them. The one way that Apple shows you is you just kind of put it into the slot here and you just kind of pull it up like so onto wherever you guys are strapping it to. There's also another way you guys can do this that I found is you can just take this top part and you open this up and you're gonna put this down inside like so, and then take this snap and you're literally just going to snap it into place. Now I recommend this style for something like if you're putting it on a dog or something like that. This is going to give you a bigger loop for you guys to be able to have it, as well as it's not going to be like dangling all the way far down on your dog as well. If you guys don't want to pay the $30, I recommend a website that I will have a link for down in the description section below called the Apple Nest. They are selling these exact same things right here, the silicone bands that you can get for your Apple AirTags for only 15 bucks. Way cheaper, highly recommend it. Even for my Apple Watch, I always get third-party accessories with it. I never pay Apple's prices because, let's be honest, Apple prices for accessories is kind of ridiculous. I'll just be honest with you. But all in all, that's pretty much all of the tips and tricks that I have for you guys on the Apple AirTags. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. See y'all in the next one. Squad.
So I picked up a white AirTag. Never lose things that I had lost, that I had left back. Wish they would have made it in space gray or that matte black. But this is where we at, squad, we here. Now let's chit chat, see. It's the features that sparking my curiosity. I put it on my keys on my wallet, that's how you finding me. I pop the app open, find me the reciprocity. The pricing for that 4-pack's $100s of generosity. Thanks for that 50K sub count, yeah, we hit champ. Same swag vibe, just check the look, I had to revamp. So let's get this video cracking and get the details. Like, subscribe so you never miss a fly unveil.
We're gonna go ahead and start off with the yellow loop. This one here is actually probably the second favorite color that I like of this one. So we're gonna go ahead and just take off the little pull tab they have here at the bottom. Apple always makes it like super easy when it comes to like unboxing their stuff. So let's go ahead and pull this out. You don't really get anything else in here, I don't believe. You just get the sleeve. So this is the color here of the Apple loop. You guys can see here, very vibrant, colorful loop that you see right here. So all you guys gotta do in order to put this in here, unbuckle that like so. Take the tag, slide it right here inside, fits in there like a glove. Super easy, super chill. In order to be able to loop this, all you guys gotta do is take this, but you loop this down inside of here, and then now you're good to go, and it's not gonna go anywhere. All right, so the next one I wanna show you guys is the red color version of it. So this is what this looks like without the tag actually in it. Now, I will say, I do like on the inside here, you get more of like a very like soft suede-ish like material that you get with this. So it's gonna help protect as far as the stainless steel that's on the back of these. So let's go ahead and drop the tag inside of it so you guys can have a look of what that looks like in there. Put it up there to the camera. You guys can see, looks really, really clean. And then that's what it's gonna look like clamped shut. I actually like this color, not even gonna lie. Now the next one we have here is the all white color. This one here, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. This is probably one of those colors that I probably would never recommend anybody to actually go with, just because this white is just gonna get dirty, guys. Like, it is what it is. I understand it's gonna give you that clean look, clean looking design and all of that, but look, trust me when I tell you, this bad boy is gonna get super dirty, especially if you're putting it on like your keys and all of that type of stuff like that. Yeah, this is definitely gonna get dirty, but this is what the case actually looks like without anything in it. So let's go ahead and slide it right inside of here. And they fit in here super easy. Like, there is no struggle, anything like that. Clamp it shut like so. You guys can see right there, looks really, really clean, and boom. You guys can see what it looks like clamped, and it looks clean, man. I actually like it. But like I said, that white is gonna get extra, extra dirty. All right, and the last one that we have here is the blue color loop. Now this is actually one of the ones that I like, probably second, I would say, other than the yellow one. I think the yellow one definitely stands out the most, which is what I personally like for myself. But let's go ahead and show you guys what the blue color is gonna look like. It's actually much deeper of a blue than I thought when I first saw it online. So, but yeah, this is the color here. So let's go ahead and put the tag inside of it. There it is. You guys can see, looks good. Now I actually do like the white contrast with the blue. I think it looks clean, looks super minimal. Give you that look. You guys can see it right there. That's the back, or this is the front, that's the back, whichever way you guys want to do it. There you guys have it, man. That is all of the color options of the AirTags in the Apple AirTag loops. These are the silicone ones that you guys can get. Again, I will have links to all of these down in the description section below if you guys want to check that out. All right, so I told you guys, if you're sticking around, I got a little surprise for you. I'm going to show you guys a way how you guys can get these, but not at the $30 or $40 price tag. Now, y'all already know, man, even when it comes to something like my Apple Watch, I always go with third-party bands just simply because it's way cheaper. You're literally still getting the same quality. So I found this website, it's called the Apple Nest. Now, they actually are selling theirs literally almost the exact same quality as these, but they're selling them for only $15. So I'm all about saving money, and I want you guys to be able to save some money too, because like I said, as good as these Apple loops are as far as the quality, they do feel good. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but at the end of the day, it's just like silicone or whatever this material is. Found this site here that actually has them, and it is way cheaper, and I will link that down in the description section below for you guys. Definitely gonna save you guys some money, especially when you start adding these bad boys up, because you've already spent $100 for this, and then you go buy more of these, you're spending another, what, if you spend $30 for these, you're spending another $120 just for the loops to be able to put these things in. So I think that's the area where you guys should save the most money, is actually on the accessories for these things to actually go into. So why not save some money? Again, link for that is down in the description section below if you guys want to check that out. But other than that, that is the video for the Apple AirTag loops. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Watch some of the other videos right here. Thanks again for watching. See y'all in the next one. Squad.